Hello everybody from YouTube. This is David here. Subscribe to Box Fans 15 and look at this. I've got the biggest fan. I've built this myself. I have tools in my shed. As you can see, got a cord wrap. Got 3 speeds. Tells you all the speeds there. And you got wires. It's a blower motor for a furnace, but this is a condenser fan motor for an AC. There's the handle. It's got 2 handles on it. This carries 2 people. It's very heavy. It's going to have wheels on it soon and the screen for the front. Here's the motor. It's an Emerson, by the way. The motor is from 1997. It's an old Emerson. So we're about to kick it on here. First speed, low. Serious air movement. The motor's been fully restored. It's from an old furnace. You can see the motor's been, it's from 97 and it's got fully restored. Alright, I'm gonna start it up. Medium. It's a great startup. Spin down. This thing has a long coast down. It doesn't blow like this, it blows forward. I face the blades around. It's for an AC unit. That's what it's from. I had this girl running around. Now we're getting ready to go to high speed. This one's the crazy one. Here's the high one. Oh yeah. Blades are deep pitched. There's a suction on the grill. Oh, nice ass suction. Some serious air. Alright, we're gonna go from we don't have to spin down here. Then we'll do a starter. So it has a low. Good medium. It shakes a lot. The high speed we're going to have a startup noise. This is when you combine them. I never combined them. But I want to just do it one time and I shut it off immediately. Box here. It's gonna have wheels, so it's got a cord wrap on it. Shut it up. First, let's test the airflow. And over there, let me show you. This is even way over here. See, it's blowing right there. It's going to the swing over here. Moving some serious air. It's a big ass shop fan. You see the screen. That's a pump. Alright, we'll shut it off. It'll spin down. It's got a long spin down because it's got ball bearings on it. It's got a ball bearing motor, but the ball bearing motor has been restored. Motor's from 97. By the way, it's an Emerson. I can show you the information on here. Right. See right there what it says? Emerson. It's a really good motor.